How do I know if my garage door spring is broken? If your garage door feels unusually heavy or won't open, the spring may have failed. This is one of the most common signs of a broken spring. You hear a loud bang from the garage. A sudden, loud bang, like a gunshot, often means a spring snapped. Always inspect the door before using it again. The garage door opens crooked or uneven. A broken spring can cause the door to lift unevenly or appear crooked, especially with extension springs. The door only opens a few inches, then stops. Garage door openers stop when the door is too heavy. If it moves slightly, then stops, the spring is likely broken. Visible gap or separation in the spring. Check the spring above the door. If you see a visible gap or separation in the coils, it needs immediate replacement. Why do garage door springs break? Normal wear, rust, and lack of lubrication all shorten a spring's lifespan. Regular maintenance helps prevent failure. What to do if you suspect a broken spring? Stop using the door and call a professional. DIY repairs are dangerous due to the high tension in garage door springs. How to prevent spring failure in the future? Schedule regular maintenance, lubricate springs often, and replace both springs together to keep your door balanced.